In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in columns in Mailchimp. If you've ever wanted a quick visual reference for your contacts, like a profile photo or product image, Mailchimp makes this possible by adding a custom field to your audience that displays images right in the table. We'll create that field, set it to accept image links, and make sure it shows up in your contact list. Start by heading to the Audience section from the left-hand pane. This is where all of your contact data lives. If you work with more than one audience, confirm you're viewing the one you want to update so the new field appears in the right place. Next, open the menu with the three dots icon. In Mailchimp, this menu is your gateway to audience settings. From there, choose Audience Fields and Merge Tags. This page controls the columns you see in your contact table and the data types behind them. Click Create New Field to add a brand new column. Give your field a clear, memorable name. Something like Profile Image or Product Thumbnail works well, so you and your team instantly know what belongs there. Now, change the data type to Image URL. This is important. By choosing Image URL, Mailchimp knows to treat the value as a link to an image and can display a thumbnail right in the audience view. For best results, use direct links to publicly accessible images, ideally over HTTPs, and make sure the link points to an actual image file such as .jpg or .png. Links behind a login, links that expire, or links to web pages rather than image files won't render correctly. Click Save to apply your changes. You've just created a new column in your audience that's ready to show images. From here, you can copy an image URL and add it to your contacts. Open a contact record, paste the image link into the new field, and save. As soon as the field contains a valid image URL, you'll see the thumbnail appear in the audience table and within the contact's profile. If you already maintain image links in a spreadsheet, you can keep the same URLs and map them to this field during your regular contact updates, ensuring consistency across your data. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Test one or two contacts first to confirm the images display as expected. Double-check that the data type is set to image URL if a picture isn't showing, and verify that the link is accessible without special permissions. And that's all. Your Mailchimp audience now supports image columns, giving you a clean, visual way to scan and manage your contacts.